Theta cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $1.0980 a coin in an extremely significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 1.0880 1.1361, which generally is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 1.1320, which certainly is very critical. The change was 0.0340, 3.00%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, USD to Theta, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.13, kind of greatest 1.21, essentially least 1.05, showing that very reverse rate, USD to Theta, which explicitly is very huge. Theta figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.13, kind of most extreme 1.21, essentially least 1.05, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $1.17, most certainly greatest 1.25, extremely least 1.09, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta figure on Friday, April 21, cost $1.21, by and large most extreme 1.29, certainly least 1.13 in a really significant way. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $1.19, really greatest 1.27, beautiful least 1.11 in an especially huge way. Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.17, most extreme 1.25, least 1.09 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1.29, truly least 1.13 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.20, beautiful most extreme 1.28, least 1.12 in a significant way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $1.20, certainly most extreme 1.28, kind of least 1.12 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Theta figure on Monday, May 1, cost $1.18, most extreme 1.26, sort of least 1.10, or so they truly thought. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.17, kind of most extreme 1.25, least 1.09 in a kind of significant way. Theta figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1.17, in every practical sense, greatest 1.25, truly least 1.09, or so they for the most part thought. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.23, genuinely greatest 1.32, least 1.14, which sort of is genuinely critical. Theta gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $1.23, by and large greatest 1.32, especially least 1.14, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $1.19, essentially greatest 1.27, by and large least 1.11, or so they generally thought. Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $1.24, greatest 1.33, sort of least 1.15 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $1.27, sort of most extreme 1.36, especially least 1.18 incredibly. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $1.33, extremely greatest 1.42, fundamentally least 1.24, which for the most part is very huge. In about a month Theta conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $1.34, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.43, exceptionally least 1.25, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $1.29, fundamentally most extreme 1.38, especially least 1.20, or so they basically thought. USD to Theta swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 0.9107 coins per $1, or so they especially thought. Today, S-reach 0.8802-0.9191, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby, 0.8834, which generally is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0273, plus 3.09% in a really significant way. USD to Theta cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, showing how Theta estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $1.21, extremely greatest 1.29, sort of least 1.13, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.885 coins, most certainly greatest 0.952, truly least 0.826, which in a real sense is very huge. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.885 coins, most extreme 0.952, in every practical sense, least 0.826, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.855 coins, essentially greatest 0.917, really least 0.800, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to Theta forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 0.826 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.885, really least 0.775. In multi-week dollar to Theta figure on Monday, April 24, cost 0.840 coins, certainly greatest 0.901, sort of least 0.787, which generally is genuinely huge. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.855 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.917, in every way that really matters, least 0.800, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.826 coins, really most extreme 0.885, sort of least 0.775 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.833 coins, certainly greatest 0.893, especially least 0.781 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 0.833 coins, extremely greatest 0.893, genuinely least 0.781 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to Theta expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 0.847 coins, lovely most extreme 0.909, especially least 0.794, showing how Theta value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which by and large is very critical. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.855 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.917, kind of least 0.800 in an especially significant manner. USD to Theta forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.855 coins, extremely greatest 0.917, kind of least 0.800, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.813 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.877, most certainly least 0.758 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 0.813 coins, greatest 0.877, truly least 0.758 in a fundamentally significant way. In 3 weeks dollar to Theta conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.840 coins, most certainly greatest 0.901, by and large least 0.787 amazingly. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.787 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.847, kind of least 0.735, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.